Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to dive into how to create Telegram apps on your mobile phone. Go to your Google account, then search for Telegram ads. Click on login to advertise. Input your Telegram phone number, then a verification code will be sent to your Telegram to confirm the phone number you log in. Click on create ads. Then the next page is where you edit your ads. This is the ad title. You will give your ads a title. Then the ad text is like description to your ads. In the ad text, you need to explain more about your ads there so the audience will understand what you are doing. We are expert crypto trader. Join us today to elevate your trading skills. Then input your group or channel URL. Mean the URL you want to promote. Then other information about your group, you write it there, but it is optional. The next step is to target specific channel. Input the link of the channel you want your ads to display. After you are done, then you are going to the CPM in tone. Price per 1000 impression. How much tone do you want to spend on 1000 impression of your ads? This is 0.8, which is 4 euro. Then daily views limit per user. This means that how many times do you want a user to see your ads in a specific channel? You can choose 1, 2, 3 or 4. Then initial budget in tone. Choose your initial budget. Once you are done with all that, then click on agree, then click on create ads. We are done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you all in the next video.